poured whiskey on my open wound. Said, son, keep running, morning comes too soon. Devil poured whiskey on my open wound. Said, son, keep running, morning comes too soon. Jesus lit a lantern on my midnight road. Said, lay your shame down, I'll carry that load. Two voices in the holler of my heart's defense.
Whoa, resist. One says compromise,
one says repent. Two masters, two plans, only one sets me free. One chains up my soul, one drops those chains at my feet. I've been straddling lines, but tonight I commence. I'm done with the darkness, ain't riding the fence.
Whoa, resist. Whoa, resist. Whoa, resist.
Devil deals comfort with a hidden eye. Jesus brings courage and a better life. I've tasted the gravel of a dead-end high. Now I'm drinking that mercy that'll never run dry.
Two roads on the mountain,
my consequence.
One ends in regret,
one starts with his presence. Two masters, two plans, only one sets me free. One chains up my soul, one drops those chains at my feet. I've been straddling lines, but tonight I commence. I'm done with the darkness, ain't riding the fence.
Oh, it's it. Oh, it's it.
I hear the nail-scarred hand knocking at my door, saying, son, choose life, don't look back no more. I'm drawing the line with a rugged cross, gaining forever, counting sinners lost. Two masters, two plans, now the choice is made. I'm walking with Jesus through the fire and the rain. If you're stuck in the middle, let your heart commence. Come stand in the light,